In the customer service admin center, on this service term page, we have global settings for SLA. So let's click on manage to configure the settings. Here we are going to select the SLA pause status. So this is the first option. This is a drop down field where we can select the entity for which we are going to enable the SLA pause status. So for now it's the case entity, and after that we have the status for this case entity. So there is one status field in which there are multiple options, so we can select the number of choice options from this left area and we can shift it to the right, so it will be considered as selected for the pause condition of an SLA which we have enabled for the case entity. So let's say we are going to select the on hold choice option and we will move it to the right side. Let's click on the save. So now this is saved. Now we can go to the customer service hub app and create a new case. So let's go to the customer service hub app. Let's create a new case. Let us say case title should be case 4, and let's select the customer from here. Now let's click on save. Because it's a normal priority case, then the SLA item 2 condition will be matched. So now the SLA is triggered and the status currently is in progress. So let me show you the timer. So here you can see the timer is running. Now if I change the status of this SLA from in progress to on hold, so let me just update the status from here. Let's click on here and click on hold, because that one is the field which I have configured for the pause criteria. Let's save it, and here you can see the SLA has paused. So now the countdown timer is paused, and to resume the SLA we are going to just reset the status of this case from on hold to any other option. So let's do it right now. So let's select any of the option apart from on hold, and let's say we are going to again make it in progress, and let's click on save. So here you can see the timer has started again. So it's a quite useful feature of SLA, and as you remember, this was turned on in the other SLA settings, that are the global settings for SLA. And if we want to override this SLA pause criteria, we need to head back to the customer service admin center app. Let's open the customer service admin center app and let's go to the service term page. Let's click on manage, and here let's click on this case SLA, make it deactivate, and let's select this second SLA item, and here we are going to scroll down, and here we will find the pause configuration for SLA item. So we can turn it on, and from here we can add the criteria. So let's say the field we are going to select as case type, and that case type should be only equals to request. So in this case only the pause will be applicable for this SLA item. Let's click on activate and make it default. So this would be applicable for the SLA item 2, that is first response 2. Let's go to the customer service hub app. Let's create a new case. The case title we can give like case 5, and let's select the customer. Let's click on save. So the first response to SLA item criteria has matched for triggering this SLA, and you can see here the timer has started. Now we are going to pause it using this on hold status. Click on save. But here we can see the countdown timer is still running because we have set override pause configuration for that SLA item. So let's go to that details page, and here we have the type. We need to make it request, and once it is set we just need to save it. Let's go back to the summary tab, and here if we scroll down we can see the timer has paused. So this is how we can configure override criteria for SLA pause conditions.